Maja Nilsson-Lindelof was inundated with compliments as she showed off one of her new dresses in a mirror selfie. The 29-year-old, who's the other half of Manchester United defender Victor Lindelof, works as a fashion designer in their native Sweden. She founded brand Le Bon Atelier in 2021. Her Instagram account, which has racked up 241k followers, is filled with snaps of her wearing all sorts of different outfits. And the latest, a low-cut blue floral dress which came down to her ankles, proved to be a hit. One person wrote, "Incredibly nice dress." A second echoed, "Oh, such a pretty dress," while a third commented, "So pretty. The dress is incredible." A fourth hailed, "So stunning." And a fifth claimed, "The most beautiful thing we have." Maja was crowned the Premier League's hottest WAG earlier this by artificial intelligence app attractiveness test. She scored an attractiveness ranking of 9.7 out of 10, higher than any other WAG in the English top flight, in results compiled by betting sites. Co.uk. It was a good day all round for the Lindelof family on Sunday, April 23, as Red Devils centre-back Victor put in a man-of-the-match performance against Brighton in their FA Cup semi-final. He not only helped to keep out Roberto De Zerbi's side in normal time, but also went on to score the winning 14th penalty in the resulting shootout after Solly March had missed his. Maja, who's a regular visitor to Old Trafford, watched her hubby from afar as she was in Stockholm announcing the launch of a pop-up shop in the Swedish capital this week.